Yes! Bunot na tayo sa mahiwagang block box. Actually guys, dalawa na lang yung natitira eh. Okay, let's start! Shuffle muna natin kahit dalawa na lang sila. Okay, pipiliin ko na. This is from SCT Unlimited. As in, ito yung sunscreen from a Filipino brand na meron talagang international feels. Alam mo yung kapag gumamit ka ng international sunscreen, ganun yung feels niya. Pero less moisturizing. As in, kasi guys, yung ibang international sunscreen, malagkit talaga sa skin. But this one, hindi talaga siya malagkit, but it's very moisturizing. Also, what I love about this sunscreen is yung nozzle niya. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang daling i-dispense ng product. As in, ganyan lang. Achieve mo talaga yung 2-finger kung nagto-2-finger ka. This also offers a high protection SPF rating which is SPF 50+, PA++++. Ayun, tingnan nyo guys ha. Pag ina-apply ko siya, 1 finger to. Tingnan nyo. Tignan nyo yun. Guys, zoom ko kayo para makita nyo. Kaya ko siya gustong-gusto kasi ang dali niyang i-apply sa skin. Ayan. Kung binilang nyo kung ilang seconds lang, it doesn't have a white cast. This is the sunscreen na hindi mo na kailangan mag-moisturizer. Ulit-ulit ko sasabihin sa'yo, it feels like a moisturizer but it's a sunscreen. Medyo malilito ka at first kung, well, wait, moisturizer ba siya or sunscreen? But guys, it's a sunscreen and moisturizer in one. Pwede rin siya maging primer. Perfect for daily use. Very convenient dalhin kahit saan ka magpunta. Guys, nag-release din sila ng sachet. This is the 20 ml version nitong SCT Unlimited. So if you just want to try this sunscreen first, you can try this. This is only 140 pesos. Available na siya guys. And ang pinakaganda dito guys, you can bring it anywhere. Sobrang cute pa ng packaging. Diba? Guys, this is your chance to try this sunscreen. Bumili muna kayo nitong 20 ml. Tingnan nyo muna kung talagang hiyang kayo, kung gusto nyo ba talaga siya. Try it for 3 days or 5 days. Tingnan nyo guys yung effect sa skin nyo. And then, bumili ka na ng bigger version. Ang ST Unlimited Sunflower Sunscreen guys is FDA notified and SPF tested. So, lahat ng claims na makikita nyo dito, legit. At masasabi ko talaga guys this is one of my favorite sunscreen na natry ko talaga this year. Kaya nga kasama siya dito sa list ng the best sunscreen of 2023. Ayun lang guys. I love you.